Are you ready to beat the heat without breaking a sweat? Look no further than the world of soft coolers. These marvels of modern convenience are the perfect blend of style, functionality, and that all-important chill factor. Whether you're tailgating, picnicking, or just lounging by the pool, a soft cooler is your trusty sidekick on all your ice-cold adventures. Join us as we dive into the best soft coolers that will keep your beverages icy and your spirits high. Let's get this party started. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Arctic Zone Titan Deep Freeze 30. Our pick for best budget soft cooler. If you're on the hunt for a cooler that blends functionality with a dash of flair, meet the Arctic Zone Titan Deep Freeze 30. This little gem may have some of the thinnest insulation in the lineup, but don't count it out just yet. It keeps your drinks chilled for an impressive 2 days, right on par with the best contenders. You'll love the zipless design that lets you dive into your snacks and drinks without the fumble of zippers. The hard plastic interior makes packing a breeze, while the removable shelf saves your delicate sandwiches from being squashed. With a few external pockets for your corkscrew and napkins, plus a handy bottle opener attached, you'll be the life of the party without breaking a sweat. Sure, it may not ace the durability and insulation tests, but let's face it, when it comes to convenience and portability, this cooler is a champion. Weighing in at just 2.2 pounds and boasting a capacity of 10.65 liters, it's perfect for tailgating, picnics, or any high-spirited adventure you could dream up. Cleaning? A walk in the park. Just wipe it down with soapy water and you're ready for the next outing. So, if you want to keep your cool in more ways than one, the Arctic Zone Titan Deep Freeze 30 is calling your name. Number 4. dbest Products Ultra, our pick for best soft cooler with wheels. If you're the type who loves to hit the great outdoors but also appreciates having a cold drink in hand, then let me introduce you to your new best friend. The dbest Products Ultra Soft Cooler with Wheels. This black beauty weighs in at a featherlight 3.5 pounds, which means you can cart it around without turning into a weightlifter. Are you tired of lugging heavy coolers that would double as a workout? Say goodbye to those days. With its compact design and a handy telescoping handle, this cooler makes trips to the grocery store or your favorite beach a breeze. It's got the capacity to hold a staggering 36 cans plus ice, so you'll never have to choose between your favorite sodas, beer, or wine bottles again. Heading out for a picnic, a barbecue, or just lounging by the pool, this fully insulated leak-proof soft cooler keeps your ice cream as frozen as your friend's sense of humor. And let's not forget the extra-large side mesh pockets for those important snacks and a front zipper pocket to keep your essentials safe and sound. Whether you're camping, fishing, or cheering at your kid's soccer game, this collapsible cooler is the sidekick you didn't know you needed. So go ahead, keep your refreshments within arm's reach and elevate your outdoor adventures. Still searching for the perfect soft cooler? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. ICEMULE Pro Collapsible, our pick for best backpack soft cooler. If you're ready to elevate your outdoor adventures, meet the ICEMULE Pro Collapsible Backpack Soft Cooler, your new best buddy for all things fun in the sun. Crafted from legendary muleskin fabric and equipped with a groundbreaking IM air valve, this cooler is tougher than your last camping trip and just as versatile as your favorite Swiss Army knife. Got ice? This bad boy keeps it frosty for over 24 hours thanks to its polar layer insulation. With a capacity of 23 liters, or enough space for 24 cans plus ice, your drinks will stay as cool as your adventurous spirit. And with a hands-free design, those padded straps let you roam freely, whether you're juggling a surfboard or a fishing pole, while your ice-cold refreshments trot along for the ride. When the party's over, just roll up your cooler and pack it away. Its collapsible design is perfect for travel, ideal for parents on the go or those who simply can't bear to leave behind their favorite snacks. Oh, and did we mention it's waterproof and buoyant? Thanks to welded seams and a clever zipperless closure, this floating cooler is ready to join you on your kayaking escapades. So gear up, grab your ICEMULE Pro, and let the adventures begin. With you on the move and your drinks chilled, there's nothing stopping you from making the best memories under the sun. Number 2, RTIC Ultra-Tough, our pick for best insulation soft cooler. If you're in the market for a cooler that truly means business, look no further. This rugged beast is practically the superhero of your outdoor adventures, built tough to withstand whatever Mother Nature throws at it. From the zippers that zip like they mean it to the hefty exterior fabric and sturdy handles, every detail shouts durability. The carrying setup? Think duffel bag meets cooler. It's designed for real-life action. On a sunny day with the thermostat flirting with 75 degrees, your snacks and drinks will remain refreshingly cool. How's that for on-the-go magic? RTIC boldly claims this cooler can keep things icy for up to 2 days. And while a little ice melting is par for the course, it's all about keeping your goodies intact. Perfect for family outings. Whether you're headed to the beach or taking a leisurely boat ride, this cooler has your back. And let's not forget those nifty welded seams and watertight zippers, a must for anyone who's dropped their cooler in the waves. As an added bonus, it even floats. So, should your next river escapade end in a splash, you'll retrieve it with ease. At 15.5 by 13 by 11.5 inches and an 11-liter capacity, it's your trustworthy companion for any adventure. Grab yours and let the fun begin. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. YETI Hopper Flip 12, our pick for best soft cooler overall. If you've ever found yourself wrestling with a flimsy cooler on a sunny day, let me introduce you to the YETI Hopper Flip 12 soft cooler. The cooler that will make you ditch those sad wannabes for good. This trusty companion is tough enough to handle all your escapades, from fishing trips to long drives across state lines, while keeping your drinks and snacks perfectly chilled. With enough room for 2 or 3 people's worth of goodies, it's the perfect size for a day at the lake. And trust me, when you crack open a bubbly drink that's still refreshingly cold after a few hours in the sun, you'll feel like you found the holy grail of coolers. It floats like a champion, withstands sun exposure, and offers multiple carrying options, because who doesn't love flexibility? The solid construction means it won't buckle under pressure, holding its shape even when stacked under other bags. Plus, the cushy clip-on shoulder strap makes it feel like you're carrying a cozy little cloud down the trail. Cleanup? A breeze! With its easy-to-see interior and robust design, even the narrow corners are accessible. And let's not forget about ice retention. It keeps it chill for about 3 days. Sure, it has a premium price tag, but for durability and performance, it's worth every penny. The YETI Hopper Flip 12 isn't just a cooler, it's your new adventure sidekick. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best soft coolers. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which soft cooler you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.